Moving to the one more problem, Cauchy-Riemann equations. Question is, if f of z is a regular function of z, show that dou by dou x of mod f of z the whole square plus dou by dou y of mod of f of z the whole square is equals to mod of f dash z the whole square. So to solve this problem, let f of z is equals to u plus iv complex variable be the regular analytic function. Next, mod of f of z is nothing but square root of u square plus v square is equals to phi. So we can denote this as a phi, or we can say we have to prove that dou phi by dou x the whole square plus dou phi by dou y the whole square is equals to this one, mod of f dash z the whole square. That is to prove that same one, phi x square plus phi y square is equals to mod of f dash z the whole square. Phi is equals to u square plus v square. Now consider this phi is equals, phi square is equal to, squaring this one, phi square is equal to nothing but u square plus v square. Next, differentiating with respect to x partially, here no variable x, so partially differentiating, so you will get 2 phi phi x plus 2 phi phi x is equals to 2 into u into ux, partially differentiating with respect to x. Next, 2v vx. After cancelling this 2, phi phi x is equals to nothing but ux plus v into dou v by vx. So it is vx. So call this as the equation number 1. Next, similarly we can also get, so differentiating with respect to y, so we'll get phi phi y is equals to, that means 2 phi phi, afterwards it will get cancels 2, so phi into phi y is equals to u into uy plus v into vi. This is the equation number 2. And squaring and adding these two equations, so if you square this, phi square phi x square and phi square phi y square, both in both equation phi square is there, take common phi square common, so phi x the square plus phi y the square is equals to ux plus vvx plus uuy plus vvy the whole square. So this is nothing but u square ux the square plus v square vx the square plus 2ux and vx plus u square uy plus v square vy plus 2uv uy vy. Since f of z is equals to u plus iv is analytic, we have Cauchy-Riemann equation, what it says. So uy is equals to nothing but minus of vx and vy is equals to nothing but u of x. By using these in the second bracket of the right hand side, we have phi square phi of x square plus phi of y square is equal to this much. So this is equals to u square, if you have taken common, so inside it is ux square plus vx the square plus v square taken common, u square plus v square. This is nothing but ux the square plus vx the square and u square plus v square. But here phi square is nothing but u square plus v square, and using this in the right hand side we have phi square phi x the square phi y the square is equals to nothing but, this is nothing but phi square is equal to phi square into ux the square and plus vx the square, or phi square get cancels, phi x the square plus phi y the square is equals to nothing but ux the square plus vx the square. Let's call this as a equation number 3. But f dash of z is equals to ux plus ivx. Therefore mod of f dash z is square root of this term, square root of ux the whole square plus vx the square, or mod of f dash z the whole square, squaring this side, so we will get ux square plus vx square. Using this in the right hand side of the 3, we get 5x square plus 5y the square is equals to ux square plus vx square is nothing but f dash of z square. This proves the required result.